What's the meaning of clotted cream? Clotted cream. Clotted cream.
Clotted cream. Clotted cream. Clotted cream is a thick and rich dairy product that is made by heating unpasteurized cow's milk and then letting it cool gradually. As the milk cools, a thick layer of cream forms on the surface and is then skimmed off. The resulting clotted cream has a silky texture and a slightly sweet, buttery flavor. It is often used as a spread for bread or scones, and is a popular accompaniment to afternoon tea in England. Its luxurious taste and texture make it a favorite of many foodies around the world.